Welcome to our detailed review of the Tvent FE350 Carburetor 101905901 replacement, designed specifically for club car golf carts, Precedent, Turf, and Carryall models from 1996 and onward. If you own one of these carts, you know how crucial it is to keep your engine running smoothly. A good carburetor is vital for performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. First, let's talk about fitment. The Tvent FE350 is compatible with multiple OEM part numbers, including 101644101, 1018059-01, 1195901, 1035245-01, and several others. This wide compatibility is a significant advantage, making it a versatile choice for many golf cart owners. Now, what should you expect when you install this carburetor? Customers often note that the Tvent FE350 offers a straightforward installation process, making it user-friendly even for those who may not have extensive mechanical experience. It comes equipped with a fuel pump, which is an additional benefit as it ensures proper fuel delivery to the engine, thereby enhancing performance. Performance-wise, the Tvent FE350 has garnered positive feedback for its efficient fuel combustion and improved throttle response. Many users have reported noticeable benefits such as smoother acceleration and overall better engine performance after the installation. This can be particularly important on golf courses or during work activities where reliability is paramount. The build quality of the Tvent FE350 is another point worth mentioning. Made with high-quality materials, it promises durability and longevity under typical usage conditions. Users appreciate a carburetor that can withstand the wear and tear associated with outdoor activities, and the Tvent FE350 delivers in this respect. Additionally, the price point of the Tvent FE350 is competitive, offering great value for money compared to similar products on the market. When it comes to maintenance, a well-made carburetor can save you money in the long run by minimizing the need for replacements and repairs. In summary, the Tvent FE350 Carburetor 101905901 replacement is highly recommended for anyone looking to replace their carburetor on a club car golf cart model from 1996 and onward. Its compatibility with various models, ease of installation, reliable performance, and solid construction makes it a top choice in the market. If you want to ensure your golf cart runs like new, investing in the Tvent FE350 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to our review, and happy driving on the green.